Nets vs Raptors. Could my Raptors start off with a W, please? Please, the All-Star break. Can we just have a turnaround? Can we have a turnaround and win some games and not be stressful reacts? Right to the Knicks 76ers before this. A lot of games today. I'm really busy today, so I'm not gonna be able to do too many of them. But I did want to see my Raptors play. Also, Shooter versus us. Obviously, we just traded him. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Damn Trent. Damn Trent. Damn Trent. Okay. Lonnie. Lonnie. Okay. Damn. So you. To Grady. Through it. Come on, Grady. Let's go in. Lonnie. Okay. Damn. Cam. Damn. Swoosh. Okay. Okay. Smith. Clacks. Clacks. Okay. Is that by who? Darko? Is the new coach? Did they hire a new coach yet, by the way, or is it the assistant coach for the Nets? Because obviously they fired their coach. We reacted to that. Probably was the right move. But let me know. Bridges. Obviously, Scotty Barnes, the only all-star on the floor. Shout out my boy Scotty. Thomas. That's a Schroeder. Schroeder. Damn. Okay. Bridges. Schroeder. Nice swoosh. Nice swoosh. Okay. Barrett. Schroeder. Schroeder. Okay. Damn. Okay, quick. Okay, quick. See you. Here's Bridges. Short. Barrett. Barrett! With the slam. Okay. Quickly. Can we get the dub, please? Please. Okay. Scotty beat. Scotty beat. Okay. Damn. Thomas. Okay, we up. Can we not choke? Can we please not choke? Please? Ready, please? I'll be very, very happy if we don't choke. You feel me? Okay. Bridges. Thomas. Nice. Didn't call the foul on the play. Yeah, and he made the late. Oh, look at Ben Simmons. I forgot about you, buddy. Trash. You're trash. You're trash. You're still garbage. Yeah, sit down, of course. Of course you fell, because you're trash. Ben Simmons, man. Simmons of Ben. Ben of Simmons. Sheesh. Okay. Cam Thomas. Ooh, pull up. Okay. Quickly. All the way. Damn. Damn. Okay. Okay.
It's been a very interesting journey. I've been trying to have a lot of fun, get better, and find new ways. I've been talking to coaches.
Quickly. Okay.
Exactly that. Shoot more and
shoot more. Quickly. Miss it. Grady on it. Okay.
6:18 to go. I want to take a look at that.
Onto to Bridges, delay. Okay. Scotty got it back. Sir. Okay.
Puts it up and in. His 22nd double-double.
Double for Scotty. Nice.
Dollar was around 62 cents.
Trent. Good cut. Let's go. Eliminate the ball movement. We're playing nice.
How about that, young man? Scorekeeper.
Schroeder. Oh.
The inside, Sharp with a bucket. Shot clock down to 7.
Quickly step back. Damn.
And quickly connects. How about that?
That's a good move. Smith is nice. I like Smith.
Kelly to Abaji. Abaji back over to
Okay.
Trent Jr.
Trent mid-range.
Top of the circle.
Sir.
And the sweet touch. It works.
Hey, we got that. Okay.
Crafty. I love that. The old trick. You act like you're running back. Barnes guarded by Claxton. Gary with an up fake. Under 10 of the shot clock. Gets room. Fires over
Okay.
Simmons and connects. This has gotten off to a good start. Nice rhythm. Starting backcourt a combined 40 points, Jack.
Cam.
Cam Thomas with a bucket.
Cam.
Atkinson did a great job. They were competitive, and then mention that
Ooh.
tonight. Yeah.
Okay.
Abaji lays it up and in. You know, they've taken a few different directions, right? The rebuild, and then when Durant showed up, they had to
Okay. Cam.
and maneuver quickly. 58 games since his second year in the league. Here's RJ, the three.
Dagger! We won! I'm out here. We definitely won this shit.
To go with the
We gotta hit the other reacts.
Carter.